The detergent industry is very tight margin industry, so every chance that we can get to save time and money translates immediately to the bottom line. And this Buy with Prime venture has started to realistically and significantly shave pennies off of those dollars so that we can spend them more appropriately, gathering more customers. We were already working with FBA. That system was already in place. This just gave us one more tool in our arsenal. This allows us to, if we can tune it just right, get the bulk of our shipments from our website to come from Buy with Prime and multi-channel fulfillment. That is our goal, so that we can use our in-house shipping minimally and ship truckloads over to Amazon to basically reduce our costs. The more day-to-day stuff that Amazon has to deal with is the less day-to-day stuff that we have to deal with, and we can focus on growing our business. Right now, when a customer buys through Charlie Soap and Buy with Prime, we are saving, 30 minutes to an hour a day in the fulfillment process. And that is time spent that we are adding efficiencies elsewhere in our company. And the more prevalent the Buy with Prime process becomes in our charliesoap.com purchasing, the more time that will be saved, the more money that will be saved, the more money that would be spent marketing, which then feeds this giant wheel.